Special thanks to our friends at XPE who were nice enough to send us this trailer hitch to unbox and show you exactly what you get here. You can see with the 2-inch ball, you can hold up to a gross weight of 8,000 pounds. With the other one, 18,500 pounds. So you get both of them here. It fits 2.5-inch receiver, 6 to 8-inch drop, rise, drop hitch, 18,500 pound tow hitch for heavy duty truck with double pins. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you everything that comes inside of here. I do not have a truck to put this on. Open up our box here, take out this foam, very nice, much nicer looking than I was anticipating. That's nice steel. Here's a little thank you for your purchase thing from XPE trailer hitches, and then dang, everything's here. So we have that's the double pins I was talking about. Got your keys right here, very nice, all super strong. Wow, this could definitely hold 18,000 pounds. And then there's a hitch, nice XP logo on it. There's a small one, a 2-inch for 8,000 pounds, and then this is the big one for 18,500 pounds. Wow. And then this, of course, attaches to this piece, and then that's it for the box here. Yeah, so very nice, super strong steel. Wow, this is solid. So that piece, and of course, you know, this goes on there wherever you may need. And you put one pin through here and lock it, put your other pin through here and lock it, and there you go. Very strong. Wow, actually gotta use strength to hold this. This is a heavy product. Thanks again to XP Trailer Hitches for sending me this to unbox and show you what you get here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.